We are pleased to show you the 2026 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, tow hitch, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.